what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Broken on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. For this song, you won't need a capo and you're going to be in standard tuning. For this riff, you're going to just be plucking two strings, the A and the B string, and you can use a pick. And I'll put the tab down in the description too, so make sure you look at that. But basically, you're just going to hit once on the A string, 5th fret, and then upstroke B string, 6th fret, and then hit again on the A string and move it down to 4. So, and then hit that 6 again on the B string. So that's, and then hit again, slide that down to 3, and your ring finger will be on the 5th fret of the B string, right? And then down to 2, and 3 on the B string. So 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 4, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 4, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time, just replay the video, you'll get it.